What's the difference between lists enclosed by square brackets and parentheses in Python? Are they both valid? Is one preferred for some reason?
Square brackets are lists while parentheses are tuples. A list is mutable, meaning you can change its contents, while tuples are not. The other main difference is that a tuple is hashable, meaning that you can use it as a key to a dictionary, among other things. For example, note that, as many people have pointed out, you can add tuples together. For example. However, this does not mean tuples are mutable. In the example above, a new tuple is constructed by adding together the two tuples as arguments. The original tuple is not modified. To demonstrate this, consider the following. Whereas, if you were to construct this same example with a list, Y would also be updated.
One interesting difference. A comma must be included in a tuple even if it contains only a single value. For example, 1 instead of 1.
They are not lists, they are a list and a tuple. You can read about tuples in the Python tutorial. Why you can mutate lists, this is not possible with tuples.
Another way brackets and parentheses differ is that square brackets can describe a list comprehension, for example, x for x in y. Whereas the corresponding parenthetic syntax specifies a tuple generator, x for x in y. You can get a tuple comprehension using tuple x for x in y. See, why is there no tuple comprehension in Python?